Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul. Paul's Instagramming. Shocker, right?
Good morning.
Good, how are you? Good morning. How are you?
Are you ready for LAL 2021? Are we ready? There we go. That's a little better. I think we still got a few people sitting back there. If you guys want to come up, I think we got seats in the next to the Ballard up here. You want to hang out with Kory Ballard?
People, and I know Brian and Liz feel a great weight of responsibility that folks flew 9-hour flight. You guys came from Alabama, Georgia, all across this country, and so they want to over-deliver today, under-promise, over-deliver, and they brought in an all-star lineup of speakers.
I go, what is the hardest thing to do in business?
Build your team.
Okay.
Let's do this. Get on your feet. Big round of applause for Kory Ballard.
When do you hire that first person, and how do you build the team, and how do you keep people and build culture and core values, and how do you just love your people?
Keith Kalfas was amazing. The mental side of everything. I can't wait to hear Paul. I know Paul's doing a podcast over there currently. But yeah, takeaways. Man, there's so much. It's hard to describe in one thing, but Keith Kalfas has stood out so far, and he did a great job.
I want to talk about how action cures fear.
I'm just diving into it. And it was really exciting because I gained this momentum over time.
I said, Gabby was out there, wife.
Hey.
How did she say? What she said about your team? I was like, she I'm trying to know, right?
Running the company, and you don't have all the things figured out half the time. I'm like, Rob, go do this and figure it out. You're learning too.
How it's nice for an employee, like what's nice on the employee side to know what the boss can be doing, and just the fact that when we're all here that there's no boundaries. Everyone can just kind of talk to each other and share the information that everyone thinks they need or can use to learn from.
Come on, man. This is the whole group, bro. We gotta get him. Yeah, we're gonna get him. He's from North Carolina. We gotta get him in, bro.
What we do is I try to get just key points, key takeaways, things that I like actionable, like Kalfas was talking about. You know, taking things you can take action on, things you can really get applicable to your business.
But I'll tell you what. Look around. These are all the people that directly and indirectly you're responsible for making their lives better. I know it doesn't seem like it in the day, but you're making all these people's lives better. We really appreciate it. I just want to say a big thank you.
I appreciate everyone who came.
Absolutely. One more time.
I was just saying I appreciate you, hiring me after all, but appreciate everyone else who came and supports us in general, allows us to do this.
Amen. You guys appreciate it, Rob?
Yeah.
Like Kory said, appreciation, love, respect, those things are huge for you guys. But number 4 or 5 on your list was compensation. This is right here. You can read it off, you can not read it off, I don't care, but that's just a little something extra. That's a bonus. There's a check in it, or a comma in it. Is it a nice one?
Yeah, it's nice. I appreciate it.
How much? How much is it?
$1,500.
Thank you for all that you do. And now that I gave you that, you can't quit anytime soon, right? Yeah. one more time, round of applause for Rob.
Yeah, Rob.
I even got my wife to come, and I want to open her eyes. That way, even other lawn guys out there that maybe don't know if their wife's interested in the business, interested in how it works, this is going to be a benefit, and I know my wife's going to benefit from it as much as I am.
My name is David Fuller, and I'm here just to learn from some of the greats. My buddy, he convinced me to come here. It's me and my other buddy, and I was kind of skeptical to come, but it's literally been like some of the best information I've gotten, and out of like being in the industry for like 3 years, I would say. It's definitely worth the ticket price. Compared to some other events, I think this has been like the best event I've ever been to. One big takeaway was just with employees, like how to treat them and just what they're really looking for at the end of the day.
What's up?
Good morning.
Good morning. Rise and shine.
Fresh equip hat, man.
Yeah, man. I like this hat. It's the future of the show.
We doing Influencer Live again next year?
Absolutely, 100%. Watch your back.
Oh, this could be a problem. Boom.